To my channel. Today we are going to discuss Python operators, mainly equal to plus equal to and is. Okay, so we will perform practical also in command prompt. So first we will open command prompt also. Okay, if we run Python code, so we have to write Python keyword, then enter. After that, we can write anything regarding Python statement. We can write there. So first operator is equal to operator. So equal to operator is basically used to assign value to variable. So for example, x equal to 10. Okay, we can print x. It will show 10. Okay, so it will give value 10. Anything we can write y equal to Raj, and if we print y, it will give Raj. Okay, so basically equal to used to assign value to variable, and another operator is equal to. Okay, so equal to basically used to compare two values. Okay, for example, if we declare x equal to 10 and y equal to Raj. Okay, if we write x equal to 10, then it will give true all or false. Okay, so here x equal to 10, so it will give true. If we write x equal to 15, what will it give? It will give 15 false. Okay, so it basically compared what value is x and which value we are going to compare. Means if we are comparing 15 equal to x value is 10, so it gives false. Also we can here x equal to 10 and y equal to Raj, so those are different values. So if we compare that x equal to y, it will also give false. So equal to basically compares values. Okay, and single equal to stores value and it will give that value. So here x equal to 10, it x stores 10 value. Okay, uh, what is next? Next variable is equal to plus. Equal to plus, for example, we can write x equal to plus 10, means print x equal to what it gives 10. If we write x equal to 4, print x, then x equal to plus plus 3, what it will give? Print x, it gives 3, means it is not adding value. When we write equal to plus, it is just assigning plus positive value to variable. Means here first x equal to 4, this also positive value, and next value x equal to plus 3 means plus 3 assigned to x. So latest value it gives whenever we declare same variable again. So latest value it consider. For example, x equal to 4, then x equal to 5, it will give us 5 value, because Python consider latest value, so it gives 5. And here we see x equal to plus, it gives 3, means it consider only that value is positive. But what is x plus equal to? First we will declare value x equal to 4. Okay, mm. Then we will use x plus equal to 3 and we will print x. Okay, so it's add that value in previous variable value, means basically it added value to that variable value, but we have to write plus equal to. Okay, so there is difference between equal to plus and plus equal to. So plus equal to basically add value into our variable. Okay, so what is next? Okay, next we are going to discuss is. This is identity operator. Okay, so we can take example from here. We will declare this. So what is operator do? It checks whether variable refers to same object in a memory. Okay, so if we write a equal to 1 2 3, b equal to same values. Okay, right. Okay, if we write a print a is b, it will use false because this values it consider different object. Okay, it is not comparing, it is referencing different object, so it gives false. But if we write like this, print a equal to b, as already we discussed that, so it's equal to compares value, so it will give true. Okay, this is true now. And again we can see another example of is. Okay, that time we declare values. Okay, a equal to 1 2 3, like this. Okay, and if we write a equal to b. Okay, now print a is b. So now it is true. Previously when we comparing value, that time it gives false, but now it is giving true because both are a and b referencing same object, that is 1 2 3. Okay, later we are going to discuss this, what is bracket values. That is list, we will discuss in another video. List, tuples, these are the types of data types of Python. So now we can see here uh, what is. Okay, so is basically check if that variable representing same object. If representing same object, it will give true, and not, then it will gives false. Okay, so value is not considered, but that object, even we give same values, it will consider different object. But here we declare a equal to 1 2 3, and then a equal to b we are declaring, so it's comparing same object. Okay, here we can see because both lists contain the same value, a and b. So basically we have completed equal to plus, and plus equal to n is. Okay, so we can uh, keep in mind like this. Assign a equal to assign, use for assign value. Equal to for compare values. Equal to plus assign positive value. Plus equal to add and sign is check same object if both are same object. So today we have completed assignment operator. In next video we will discuss another operators. After that we will discuss uh, data types of Python. So keep watching. Thank you.